So the wife wanted a luxury shower, and I thought, hey, I'll just buy a shower head. It'll change the whole thing. And boy, was I right. Watch the video. I'll show you how to install it, and we'll give it a review. Let's go. All right, pipe wrench. Off you come. Probably overkill, but that's all right. What do we got in here? Instructions. Little Teflon. Nobody ever wants to reduce the water pressure. No, thank you. Got the head. Nice. Hose. Well, let's get to the star of the show. Boom! Look at the width on that. Make it rain on them. Hey, look at that's me filming. What else is in here? Probably the first part we need to install. Shiny. Oh yeah. That's gonna go on. Step number one. I like to go with the Teflon. Why not? Can't hurt. Can only lead to success. Now, when you put the Teflon tape on, you're gonna go the same way you would tighten. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Get it on there, get a good couple wraps. Less chance for a leak. Now you're gonna grind the main part. Where's that little pipe wrench? Not sure you want it pointed that way. Actually, I think, oh my God. Loosen that. There we go. All right, maybe you do want it pointed down. We're learning. Let's go on to step two. We'll follow the instruction manual. Let's put the rain head on. Probably loosen this up so we can get to it a little easier. Thank you. Hey, too far. Oh yeah, that's gonna bring the heat to the street. Well, I guess it wouldn't bring the heat, but you know. What else are we gonna do here? We're gonna do the hose now. There's some hose in this house. It's got no washer in there. No leaky. We need the suction cup. Probably should clean this. Where are we gonna put it? Not a suction cup, it's a sticker. Who would have thought? I don't know where I like it. Probably right there. That's it? We think it's gonna leak? I don't know. Nice. How do we make the rain head go? As you can see, this thing puts out the pressure. With all the different modes, you can get all the pressure you want. Full rain head. Look at that. We could wash a horse in this thing. Or we could do a little bit of both so we can get them little areas that you can't get with the head. Or you can just full on blast yourself. And did I mention the handle has a filter? You're getting that nice clean water. Get your hair nice. Get all the chemicals out. Turning the frogs. You know what it does to the frogs. But like I said, this thing is awesome. Took a shower earlier. Killed it. Fantastic. Never been so clean in my life. Get you one today. Add it to your cart. You won't be disappointed.